Every week, you're probably throwing away plants that could be growing in your kitchen right now. I'm going to show you the grocery store foods that actually regrow, and the ones that everyone thinks works but don't. Stick around because one of the failures might surprise you. This is the Best Garden channel, simple, practical, beginner-friendly. And today, your kitchen scraps are your garden. Starting with the easiest one, and honestly, most people don't even realize they've already started growing these. See those little bumps on your potato? Those are called eyes. And when they start sprouting, your potato is already trying to grow. Cut it into chunks, 1 eye per piece, stick it in soil, and that's it. 1 potato becomes pounds of food. Green onions. Keep the white base, drop it in a glass of water. In 3 to 4 days, it's already growing back. Cut it again, it grows again, over and over. Fastest win in all of gardening, not even close. Number 3, garlic. 1 clove, 1 whole bulb, that's the trade. Plant it in the fall, ignore it all winter, and in spring, you've multiplied your garlic. This one rewards patience more than effort. Number 4, lettuce. Here's where it gets honest. Lettuce can regrow from basin water, but I want to be real with you. You're not getting a full head back. What you will get is fresh new leaves, and for a beginner who's never grown anything, that still can be a massive win. Don't let perfect be the enemy of free food. And don't confuse this with cut and come again lettuce, where you actually keep the whole plant and are just harvesting leaves off of it. 5, herbs. Basil, mint, almost any herb really. You just snip a cutting, put it in water, and wait for roots. Then plant it. You've just cloned a plant for free. This is how gardeners go from 1 basil plant to 20. Unlimited herbs, 1 grocery store purchase. Number 6, the pineapple. I know how this sounds, so hear me out. Twist off the top, let it dry for a day, and plant it. It will grow. It takes time, we're talking months, but you will have a living pineapple plant growing in your home from a fruit you were going to throw away. It's one of the coolest things you can do in gardening. Number 7, ginger. Most underrated one on this list. Break off a chunk with a little nub, plant it just under the soil. It spreads underground slowly, quietly, and keeps producing. 1 piece keeps giving for seasons. Now this is the trap, the one that trips everyone up. Everyone tries first because it seems like it should work. Carrots. You can regrow the leafy greens from the cut end, and they're actually pretty, but that's it. You're not growing a new carrot. The carrot is gone. The top is just the top. It's just the leafy part. It's not that root. Still, cool as a little display, just don't really count on eating a carrot. So before your next grocery haul, look at what you're about to throw away, because a lot of it can become your next plant. And we didn't even talk about any of the seeds that you can get from inside of some of your vegetables. Today I put together a free printable list of 20 foods that you can regrow with exact instructions for each one. The link is in the description below. And if you're into gardening that's actually simple and actually works, subscribe to this channel.